This is the full production RAG system. In the previous videos, we built the foundation. Here, we turn it into a real AI workflow with LangGraph, evaluation, observability, and a deployable project structure. We've got the flow summary, we've got the answer, we've got the sources files, and an evaluation. This is no longer a simple script. This is a controlled workflow. Every node has one responsibility. This is how we reduce chaos in AI systems, like your S3, Redis, and LangFuse Web, and the LangFuse Worker. After the LangFuse setup, you're going to localhost 3001. I'm trying to get rid of it. I'm just going to show you in the Creditizens channel, a little bit more than 1 year ago, we've been using this model. So all you see here, I'm using what we've used before in the channel. You see here, so you can see this video if you find it. It's very interesting to see. Very promising model. That's why I'm still using it now. LangFuse, we have several videos. We've used LangFuse a lot. Almost 2 years ago. Here it says 1 year ago, because it's not at the 2 year mark yet, but almost. So you can see in the video, the setup is almost the same. Just now they have integrated AI. So it has changed a little bit, but it's almost the same system. Also some imports have changed. After for LangGraph, I have a full series on LangGraph, 0 to hero. So it's all on YouTube. I might move it to the community, but for the moment it's on YouTube. Okay, so here you can go step by step. Very interesting. The goal was not to teach random AI concepts. The goal was to build a real system, step by step, with a clean architecture that can evolve. I'll see you in the next.